रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है सबा कमर के हवाले से। सबा कमर जमान, born 5 April 1984, is a Pakistani actress who works predominantly in Urdu films and television series. Sabaa Kamal is one of Pakistan's most popular and highest paid actresses. She has been a recipient of several accolades throughout her career, which includes 2 Lifestyle Awards, 3 PTV Awards, Hum Award, Nigar Award, and Filmfare Award nomination. The government of Pakistan has honored her with the Tamgha Imtiaz in 2012 and the Pride of Performance in 2016. Born on Sabaa Kamar Zaman, 5 April 1984, Hyderabad, Sindh, Pakistan. Nationality Pakistani. Actress, occupation actress. Years active 2004 to present. Works full list and awards full list. Sabaa Kamar first received positive media attention for the role of Rukhsana Inayat in historical drama Jin Ke Naam 2009, and this was followed by further success in several television series, including the pre-partition drama Dastan, the melodrama Uran both 2010, the romantic dramas Maat and Pani Jaisa Pyar both 2011, the socio Thakan 2012, thriller Senata, the romantic Bunty I Love You both 2013, filmy drama Digest Writer 2014, crime thriller Sangat 2015, and Besharam 2016, receiving Best Actress nomination for these. She has also appeared in biographical film Manto 2015, romantic comedy Lahore Se Aage 2016, and the Hindi language educational drama Hindi Medium 2017, for which she received a nomination of Filmfare Award for Best Actress. Sabaa Kamal has portrayed Fawzia Azim and Noor Jahan in 2017 biological dramas Baghi and Memento, and a strong-headed woman in the 2019 courtroom drama Cheer. The first of these earned her a Lifestyle Award for Best TV Actor. She also features in listing of the nation's popular personality. In addition to acting, Sabaa Kamal is involved with several humanitarian causes and is vocal about issues faced by women and children, and participated in concert tours and stage shows. She has featured as a host and comedian on the political Sitara Hum Sab Umeed Se Hain 2009 to 2015. Despite maintaining privacy, his off-screen life is the subject of substantial media coverage. Early life. Sabaa Kamar Zaman was born on 5th April 1984 in Hyderabad, Sindh, Pakistan. She has 5 siblings, 3 elder and 1 younger brother who died on 15 November 2022, and 1 elder sister. She lost her father at a very young age and spent most of her childhood in Gujranwala with her grandmother. She got her early education in Gujranwala, then moved to Lahore to pursue further studies. Her family is settled in Karachi. Acting career beginnings and breakouts 2004 to 2011. Sabaa Kamal started her career with PTV television series Main Aurat Hoon in 2004. She then appeared in telefilm Ishq, directed by Dilawar Malik, opposite Bilal Qureshi for Jio Entertainment. Later that year, she appeared as a model for Ibrarul Haq music video Bolian from the award-winning album Nachan Main Udhe Naal. In 2005, Sabaa Kamal played lead role in ATV's Chup Post Sami Khan. She then replaced Sophia Mirza in comedy drama Sister-in-Law as Tania, and made special appearances in Heer Pheri as many as Sonia in episode 40 and 41, and the Punjabi anthology series Jaag Beti in episode Faisla as Iram for PTV. In 2006, she starred the several classical PTV series including Kahin Tum Kahin Hum, Phool Aap का साथ, अपनों का साथ, and धूप में अंधेरा है. She later did supporting roles in Garoor and Takdeer for PTV and Banjar for Jio Entertainment. She was paired with Ehsan Khan in both Banjar and Garoor. Sabaa Kamal later portrayed the role of Sana Hamdani in her first and only lead appearance opposite Fawad Khan in telefilm Kal, aired on TV. In 2007, Sabaa Qamar appeared in two major TV serials, Khuda Gawah, which was the remake of 1992 Indian film of the same name, and Mohabbat Ab Nahi Hogi. Later that year, Sabaa Qamar appeared in series of comedy dramas including Aaj TV's Mirch Masala with Veena Malik and Shamil Khan, and PTV's Unbearable Mamu and number 1 in 2008. Sabaa Qamar starred in melodrama Wo Subah Kab Aayegi comedy series Not Responding and Nawab Manzil for ATV. She then did 4 supporting roles for in PTV including Chuban Na Jaane Kyun, Phool Aur Kante and Binte Adam. Her role in social drama Binte Adam was of a rich brat who falls for a boy from a poor background played by Ahsan Khan and marries him against her cruel father wishes. Binte Adam was a major critical and commercial hit. However, critics noted that her role was limited from an acting point of view. In 2009, she appeared in biological drama Jinnah Ka Naam, which was the production of PTV Home in the direction of Tariq Mehraj. She played the role of Rukhsana Inayatullah, and the series was tribute to the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. In an early interview with Express Tribune, Sabaa Qamar confessed, "For me, acting is being able to express the feeling, emotion and expressions of different people and characters." In the same year, Sabaa Qamar appeared in 2 Jio Entertainment serials, Teri Ek Nazar and Nadia Naam Ki Ladki. She then did PTV Home serials Hum To Kare, Kamal, Mishal and Tinka. She won the PTV Award for the Best TV Actress in both public and jury choice categories at the 16th Annual PTV Awards held on 23rd July 2011 for her role in Tinka. In 2010, she appeared in supporting role of Suraya in Hum TV's pre-partition television series Dastan as adaptation of Razia Bhatt's novel Bano. She was seen opposite Ehsan Khan, Sanam Baloch and Fawad Khan. Series proved to be the breakthrough for her, and she won the Best TV Actress trophy at the Pakistan Media Awards 2010. She then played lead role of Pooja Mohan Das in Indus Vision partition-based drama Kanpur Se Katas Tak. Sabaa Qamar later appeared in 2 A+ dramas including Aankh Salamat, Andhe Log and Raat Ke Daire. She then appeared in soap Chand Ki Goond Mein and social drama Udan for Jio Entertainment. Sabaa Qamar later played lead roles in PTV Home serial Lahore Junction opposite Shamil Khan and ATV's Ahmad Bell opposite Kashif Mahmood and Gao opposite Sami Khan. Sabaa Qamar later that year portrayed role of blind girl Naila Habib in Jio Entertainment anthology series Taluk. Sabaa Qamar appeared in Sarmad's co-set romantic series Pani Jaisa Pyar 2011, where she played the character of Sana, who has been engaged to Adarsh, the son of her mother's best friend. Ever since she was a child, Adarsh has been unaware of this engagement, as his parents thought that he needed to focus more on his education than wedding plans. It was followed by a role in PTV's Tera Pyar Nahi Bhoole. She was paired opposite Ahsan Khan in both the series. She then played characters in PTV Home series Khalda Ki Walida, Main Aisa Kyun Hu Nazar and 2 in 1. Later that year, she appeared in March, where she played the self-obsessed someone opposite Adnan Siddiqui and Amna Sheikh. The series was critical and commercial hit and became the 13th highest rated Pakistani television series and earned her the Pakistani Media Award for Best Actress. That same year, Sabaa Qamar collaborated with Sami Khan in 2 projects, Jo Chale To Jaan Se Guzar Gaya and Main Chand Si, receiving further praise. She then appeared in the Hum TV telefilm Bala Ki Bali as Vaniza. Later, she was cast opposite Salim Sheikh in the A+ sitcom Ghar Ek Baat Hai. Lastly, she was seen as Neelofar in PTV's Home anthology series Fasle Jahan Se Aage in opposite Matki Ka Raaz. Critical acclaim and professional expression. 2012 to 2015, Sabaa Kamal next appeared in Amin Iqbal Thakan 2012, where she played the role of Sadaf, who works extremely hard like a machine day and night to run her family, but no one expects her grandfather, feels sympathy for her or even cares about her. She then starred in ANY Digital 2 Eid film, telefilms Pyar Mein Twins and Love Ki Khichdi. It was followed by the leading roles in Amna Nawaz Khan written Na Kaho Tum Mere Nahi 2012 and Faiza Akhtar's Yahan Pyar Nahi Hai 2012, the latter of which earned her a nomination of Best Actress at Hum Award. She starred in another PTV home serial Bhool. It was shot in 2008 but got delayed and finally released in 2012. She gained recognition for portraying a range of characters in series like Shikwa Na Shikayat 2012, Shehryar Shehzad 2012, special appearance in Digital Timmy G 2012, Kash Aisa Ho 2013, Misfire 2013, Saneta 2013 and Ullu Barai Farokh Nahi 2013, some of which granted her several Best Actresses nominations. Sabaa Kamal won her first Hum Award for the Best TV Actress for her role as a Dania in Bunty I Love You at the third Hum Awards. That same year, Sabaa Kamal worked in Pakistan in the television film Aina of 2013 opposite Faisal Qureshi. The film, a remake of 1977 film of the same name, was well received by the audience and she was nominated for the Best Actress toward at the Tarang Houseful Awards. After 2 consecutive years of poorly received serial, Kamal's career prospects began to improve in 2014. She appeared in 6 projects: Janam Be Iman, Mohabbat Na Khatron Na Katro, Phank Mere. In her first time pairing with Danish Taimur, Bunty I Love You is Tarap and Digest writer. The romantic drama Jahannam alongside Adnan Siddiqui and the romance Be Iman Mohabbat alongside Agha Ali and Adnan Shah Tipu earned little praise, but the family drama Bunty I Love You, a story about a girl who got married age 17 to a much older man, later dreams of living a free life after his death, was Sabaa's first critical success since Maat. Directed by Sirajul Haq, and the series was generally well received. The viewer from Delhi Pakistan considered it, along with Digest writer, as one of the best performances of Sabaa. The series received 5 nominations at Hum Awards, including Sabaa Kamal for Best Actress. She next appeared in Ittezab. Her performance as the working woman did not go well, and despite the strong cast, story, production house and promotion, the drama turned out to be a major critical and commercial disaster. She then appeared for Wajahat Rauf directed anthology series Sher-Ke Hayat for Hum TV. Sabaa appeared in 3 series in 2015. She first reunited with Muhammad Yunus Butt and Fawad Vinay in the comedy series where she played a role of Lady SHO Bajirero Bastani. She then starred alongside Adil Chaudhary in Fahim Barni directorial Kaise Tumse Kahun, which tells the story of star-crossed lovers who are reincarnated. It was her 3rd consecutive appearance in Momina Durai's production, although the series did not do well in terms of rating, but her performance was praised by critics. The following year, Sabaa collaborated with Mikhail Zulfikar for the 3rd time alongside Zahid Ahmed, Kiran Haq and Sonia Mishal in Kashif Nisar Sangeet, where she played a role of Aisha, a rap surveyor who faced difficulties when her husband came to know that he was not the biological father of a daughter they have. The series earned for her the nomination for Best Actresses in both jury and popular categories at the Hum Awards. Sabaa then had made acting debut in Lollywood as a leading actress in the acclaimed biographical drama Mantu 2015, directed by Sanmat Khosar. The film was made on a big budget and performed poorly at the box office with a lifetime collection of Rs 5.05 million. However, it was critically praised, and Sabaa's portrayal of the singer Noor Jahan was well received by critics and earned her a nomination of a Rai Film Award for the Best Supporting Actress. The film was later adapted with a television series with the same cast in 2017 titled Memento and was aired on Geo Television. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। इस फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ भी शेयर कीजिएगा। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।